Hello, it's Luke from Drainfast here today. We're on a Balway home site working with ECL, introducing them to the new MuckStopper range. Today we're doing a demo on our MuckStopper 450, which goes down the 450 manholes. It sits on the top of the base for the manhole, and it will stay there throughout the duration of the build. And then at the finishing stages, they will take that out with any debris that's gone down there and can tip it out and then take it on straight onto the front end gang again to put in straight back into where they're installing the drainage. We like coming to sites to demonstrate how these products actually work. They get the pallet of MuckStoppers turn up on site, and sometimes they're not sure what they're actually for. So we actually take them down onto site and put them in the manholes, demonstrate how they work, how the extraction pole works, and how the whole concept works, so they can use it in the most efficient way for what is good for them. They're doing over 250 houses on this site. They think they'll need about 150 units, and they'll roll that throughout the rest of the project and then on to the next site as needed. Yeah, it was good as we were introducing it to the guys here. As each one came up and actually understood what he actually did, they were very enthusiastic as to how much time it would save them. There would be no debris actually going down the network of the pipe. They just know how much time it would actually save them cleaning it out. When it comes to, normally they get called a day before the jetting is coming and they have to quickly run, and the amount of time that they actually waste trying to clean out the manholes at the minute is quite astonishing.